Hey y'all, it's Robin from Robin's Nest Life here with my very first posted video. And the reason I say posted is I've actually been recording videos for the last 6 months, but never comfortable enough to post. So this is my very first posted video. Just wanted to do a brief introduction of my channel. I'm a wife, a mother, a scholar, a chef, a project manager, a gardener, and very focused on mindfulness, organic and natural living, and a little DIY. You'll get a taste of my home life and my many adventures. This video is of me doing one of the things I would love to outsource. LOL. I can wash all day, but folding, get somebody else to do it. I'm a little nervous about this journey, but I'm hopeful. Enjoy, like, subscribe, and more content to come. Talk to you guys soon.